Here are some of the weirdest animal noises ever. You won't believe they're real. Indri Lemur, a haunting whale-like call that echoes through the rainforest. Willow Ptarmigan, sounds like it's laughing at its own joke. Pileated Gibbon, a loud whooping call that carries for miles. Marmot, a high-pitched scream that sounds like a warning alarm. Kookaburra, a laugh so wild it belongs in a cartoon. American woodcock, a strange twit-twit sound during its sky dance. Shoebill snaps its beak so fast it sounds like gunfire. Koala, a deep, grunting noise, not what you'd expect. Which animal sound shocked you the most? Comment below and subscribe for more crazy animal facts.